Let's create some policies for a couple of courses. My first prompt will be, please create course policies for graduate level statistics lab. And so as it generates this, I'm seeing policies for attendance and preparation and then collaboration. And again, I provided no context at all for this prompt, just create policies for a lab. And so if I wanted to clarify or specify this or provide more context to ChatGPT, then I think it would do a better job. But this is pretty much a standard foundation of what policies might look like for a lab course, a graduate level lab course. Let's try another prompt that's a little bit more specific. Let's say, please provide plagiarism policies for an English course. All right, so what I'm seeing is this is a lot more streamlined and specific. We're seeing definitions and we're seeing disciplinary actions, as well as what is proper citation, self-plagiarism, aspects of collaboration. I do see an MLA there that I would change to APA. And what you could do with this is you can ask to clarify or expand upon one of these specific points. So let's go to ChatGPT and say, let's elaborate on what does original work mean. And with a little bit of tinkering, with a little bit of back and forth, I think you'd have a pretty good policy for your course.